Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Slack. Here we click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.